again. I reggae music come again.
Sitting alongside the bar, corner of my eye, see a beauty from afar. Winking at me, thinking to myself, is there anybody behind me? So I return a favor, hoping that was the answer. Why she turning around now, heading over to the dance floor? Is this my cue to engagement? How did I end up in this situation? Whoa, whoa. Don't you go home alone tonight. Won't you rather someone by your side? Yeah. I'll point you in the right direction, give you all my love and affection. Make sure everything's gonna be alright, alright. Now that we outside the club, leaving to our new destination, telling the brothers what's up, in case they get the wrong information. I'm just having a good time, so don't hold it against me. But it's time to make a move now, she's getting impatient. That was our cue to engagement. How did we end up in this situation? Whoa, whoa. Don't you go home alone tonight. Won't you rather someone by your side? Yeah. I'll point you in the right direction, give you all my love and affection. Make sure everything's gonna be alright, alright. Hope you like me, redeem on me flavor. I'm about to give you something to remember. So why don't you move that body closer? DJ Carlos is about to take over. So glad that tonight follow through. Yeah, that's why you got me saying, don't you?
Yeah, ha. Hey girl, what you doing later? Well, I see you the right up, I want the flavor. Me can't let you go without no love. Cause let me give you love, girl, child. Scoop, step, skibbly bong, the girl, rubber dub. Pull up, Mr. Jaya for ya. What's on your mind? Tell me what do you wanna? Just so you know that everything'll be fine. Me girl, me woulda never let you go without you, me by your side. So let me tell you this right now. Yeah, we gonna have a good time, girl.